Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. This video, wanted to give you guys an update of the long-term 8x6600 XTs. Well, actually 10x6600 XTs. These are rigs that some of you guys may remember. We made mining cave towers of 6600 XTs, open air frames, and we're mining a bunch of different coins for the long term. It's now been over a year now. I totally forgot that on October 8th of last year, 2023, that we started this test. And so we also started a test of buying the coin as well. So I wanted to compare how's it going after a year and a bit here, and just to see, has it been better to buy the coin or mine the coin at this point in time. And spoiler alert, it's pretty bad. If you were mining and holding the coin as of right now, that is, okay, as of right now, it's pretty bad versus buying the coin. All right, not gonna sugarcoat anything here in this video. So before we begin going through all this stuff, guys, thank you for today's video sponsor, Crypto Miner Bros. If you guys are looking for the top ASIC miners, they are one of the best. They've been around for almost 5 or 6 years now, and they've been partnered on the channel for almost 4 years. So if you are interested, use code RedPanda and you get another $70 off your order. And you can type the coupon right in the view cart. When you view the cart, you can type in RedPanda and you'll see the $70 off each ASIC miner ordered. So if you order more ASICs, you get $70 off each one. And they also accept Caspa for payment if you want to pay with Caspa or multiple cryptocurrencies. Link down below if you guys are interested. Okay, so I don't want to lie to you guys. I have really not been following with these rigs at all. They've just been running and going, most of the time. I've been checking on them every now and then. My longest running rig here is Flux at 157 days. I think that is absolutely amazing. And then I have Neox at 74 days, 78 days on the Chlor rig. Then you may notice here, Tower 06 has been off for 146 days. Okay, I'm going to talk about this right now. I've just been mentally procrastinating this rig, changing out the RepTech board that it has, as it's corrupted or something. Like I even tried to burn a new Hive OS image on it, and it wouldn't work on this RepTech board. So anyone that has an extra RepTech board or motherboard, I could easily just swap. I don't need it actually. I have multiple motherboards. I've just been lazy. I haven't changed it, but I've taken note in how much we've mined. Okay. So we've also have a Tower 09 and Tower 10, the Mining King, and also Oval Tech. Rest in peace, my friend. We miss you. These guys were doing Raven Coin and Meow Coin. All right, which we are no longer doing, and I've also put the Narai here out of the question, but I'll still have it in here because I'll probably get this rig up real soon. Anyways, let's start first with this, and then I'll talk about how much worth of the bought coin would be worth, as we theoretically bought $1,400 worth of each coin back in October 8th of 2023. Okay, so let's go talk about how much yield we've mined here. Okay, so Tower 01 is mining Dynex full time. Okay, or has been, and so far it's mined in total 382 Dynex. Right now, as of today, that is worth $103. And I'd also like to go back to another video that I did, or a live stream that I did on February 26th, 2024. This video here, at that time, when I mined about 140 Dynex, it was worth about $116. So there's going to be a few coins here that, as I'll explain as we go along, that have dropped in value substantially. Just to give you guys that disclaimer there. All right, now Flux, 549 Flux. And then before we had about 251. So it's been about more than 6 months now, and we've mined another 250, 300 Flux or so. But that's worth $262. Okay, and before that was worth maybe $240. So Flux value has also dropped down. Just to compare. Now, Tower 03, we've been mining Ergo, Alf, and Zill. Now, recently, I have switched off the Alephium and Zill because SRB miner just wasn't having it. So now this Tower 03 has just been full on Ergo only. So, but I'm going to keep the numbers of Alephium here and Zill, in here, because just in case, as I'm doing this long-term test, right, the whole reason why I'm doing this is because, bull run numbers. I'm hoping to see, once we get in the bull run, altcoin seasons come about, I'm curious to know if, any of these coins are going to pop off, right? Anyways, Ergo, 170 Ergo, 168 Alephium, 2200 Zill. total, that is combined value right now, $325. Right, so this rig, not bad. But back in February, this bag, even earlier, like half a year ago, was worth $648. All right, so the value of these coins have been coming down substantially, right? But who knows? Bull run, altcoin season, these could be worth a lot more. Tower 04, Neoxa. We've mined almost 300,000 Neoxa. That is currently worth $184, okay, as of November 4th. Now, before that was where we had about 64,000 Neoxa, and that was worth about $235 at the time. So now I have almost 300,000 Neoxa here, and that's worth $184. So we have a lot more Neoxa. We've yielded a lot more Neoxa over the past half year. And I did look at the difficulty of Neoxa. It has come down quite a bit. The price of Neoxa has also come down. So yeah, that's why I'm yielding a lot more Neoxa now. So that's kind of good. But moving along, let's go to Nexa, Tower 05. We have been mining Nexa on this rig, and we have about 60 million Nexa. That is worth $99. About half a year ago, that was worth maybe 15 million Nexa, which was pretty much 1/4 of the bag I have now, was worth 120. So Nexa's price has also come down quite a bit. Next rig, Nurai. This is the rig that stopped on June 7th, and we have about almost 168,545 Nurai, and that is worth $83 right now. Okay, $83. About half a year ago, about 104,000 Nurai was worth $346. So the value of that one came down, of course. Okay. Next one, Chlor, Tower 07, Chlor. We have 5,297 Chlor. That is worth $384 right now. Chlor has definitely been coming down in price, as before, back in February, we had 2,600 Chlor. That was worth $632. So yeah, Chlor's price has definitely been coming down. Now, Tower 08, this has surprised me. Bitcoin. All right, we've been doing nice hash kapow, and funny thing, I can't even withdraw it because I have to KYC, which is so stupid. So I'm kind of stuck. I'm stuck on this. It looks like I'm gonna have to KYC, otherwise I'm not gonna be able to get it out. But I have now moved this this rig, Tower 08. Okay, that's the nice hash one, to unminable. All right, unminable Bitcoin. All right, so this is, yeah, I'm mining kapow into Bitcoin. So I was trying to find another solution for, I don't know, profit switching or something, or kapow. We're doing kapow and nice hash, so I'm doing kapow on unminable. I know it's going to be probably a lot of fees, but whatever. We're going to see how it goes. Damn nice hash and their KYC. Anyways, in total though, we mined 0.01 Bitcoin over the course of the year, 393 days. Okay. That's worth $719.62. So you can see here, right? Altcoins have pretty much been going down, except, you know, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's been doing pretty well. But let's say, you know, maybe 6 months ago, I mined 0.005 Bitcoin, and that was worth about $307. So Bitcoin has definitely gone up in value. All right, now the Ravencoin rig, Mining King here, he stopped on July 5th, 2024. That's the last payout I got. We got 15,000 Ravencoin. That is worth $241. Okay, $241 as of today. And before, about 6-7 months ago, we have 8,400 Ravencoin. That was worth $216. So, right, $30. We've made about $30 more over the past, if you look at it that way. But it's because the price of Ravencoin has definitely gone down. Then Meowcoin, I was unable to find the wallet for that. I mean, Overboard Tech has the wallet for the Meowcoin, the test that we were doing. Rest in peace, my friend. He passed away in April of 2024, and we all miss him. Rest in peace, my friend. So total, we have mined $2,400 worth. If I were to sell all this now, it would be worth $2,400. Am I selling it now? Definitely not. I am definitely not selling it. I am going to be holding all this up until we have that altcoin season, if we have that altcoin season. And, you know, I'm going to say, like, hopefully a lot of these coins are going to go up, right? Hopefully. And maybe that's going to happen in the next half year, maybe a year, maybe 2 years from now. Who knows? Who knows? But I'm here to document this. That's why I'm doing this long-term test. But in terms of how much electric I've used over the course of 393 days, that's about almost $3,000. Okay, I've used almost $3,000 of electric as I'm mining and holding. And it's sad to look at this, that this whole, all the bags of coins here is only worth $2,400. Really funny to think about. And then also my investment into the mining rigs, in theory, right, for all the 6600 XTs is about 14 grand. Okay. And then as of right now in the hole, about still $13,386. But that's if I sold the bags as of now, which I'm not doing. I'm just having that stat there for fun, I guess. So how does it compare to buying the coin, the bought coin that we did? Okay. So looking at this, Alephium is still at the top of the chart in terms of the amount of price appreciation it had. So we bought $1,400 worth of Alephium. All right. It was we bought it at 14 cents, about 9,500 Alephium back on October 8th. Okay. We did a theoretical $1,400 buy on each of these coins here. Okay. Just to compare buying the coin versus mining. All right. Just a fun test. This is nothing like conclusive or anything, but it's just fun to see, if and when, okay, altcoin season does come about, then I could say, hey, maybe, all this Ergo or Alephium here. What if Alephium went to, I don't know, $10? This would be worth about $1,600, $1,700 or something. That would pay off one of its rigs, right? Or, what if any of these other coins would 5x or 10x or 100x? Who knows, right? And that could pay off all $14,000 investment. That's what I am trying to do here in this test. But the bought coin, okay, as you can see here, Narai is in the negative from its $1,400 buy. So if we were to sell now, we lost about 18.3%. Then Zilliqa also down, right? 22.8%. Ergo, the bag is down. Meowcoin, Nexa, Dynex, Neoxa, right? All this. Well, Neoxa has definitely fallen a lot. A $1,400 buy is now in the negative, 1,074, 76.8% down as of recording. But looks like looking at Ravencoin, okay, looks like a little bit of positive here, about $129 positive. $1,400 Flux buy looks like we're up $552, which is great. Chlor, if we bought it, looks like we're up $1,900, which is great. Bitcoin, yeah, we're up almost $2,000. If we bought $1,400 in Bitcoin, right, we'd be up $2,000, right? Because we bought $1,400 in Bitcoin when Bitcoin was, let's see, 27,920. Okay, when Bitcoin was $28,000 Bitcoin, right? We did a theoretical buy here, $1,400, and we're up $2,000. Look at that, eh? Look at that. So it's been outperforming Bitcoin. If you're just looking at this, right, in terms of buying the coin, Bitcoin has been outperforming majority of these like altcoins here, except for Alephium. Alephium is the outlier here. That it's obviously performed a lot better because it pumped, right? We bought it at 14 cents, but then now it's about $1.12. Okay, so yeah, look at that. It's up $9,200 from our initial buy, which is crazy. So the whole bag, okay, our $1,400 or $14,000 investment is now up $9,100. And most of it's coming from Bitcoin and Alephium here, and Chlor AI, of course. So yeah, so at this point in time, buying the coin about a year later is better than obviously mining and holding the coin at this point in time. Okay. Actually, another thing to think about, the whole bag of this is worth $2,405 as of now. But funny thing is, like half a year ago, the whole bag of what I mined back in February, it was worth $3,000. All right. So about $600 more, right? I should have sold it all back then, right? And then I'd have, probably a bit more money now. But I'm going to be mining and holding. Or just this whole test is just long-term mining and holding for GPU mining. All right, for these, I guess, prominent coins here. So if, for some of these coins would go up in the, multi-million dollars in market cap, that could be a easy 10, 20, 30, 50, 100x for some of these coins, right? So that is what I am hoping that will play out. But anyways, guys, I was going to show all the exchanges, all the explorers of all the coins I mined here. Just, I'm not lying. I got all the balances off the explorers just to show you guys here. Okay. Here's the Neoxa one. Here's the Nexa one. Here's the Nerai one. Here's the, who's this? Solus? Chlor. Here's the Chlor one. Okay. Here's the Nice Hash one, which obviously I need to oh man, I need a KYC in order to get this out. This is a lot of Bitcoin here. This is a lot of Bitcoin. I gotta get this out. All right, my friends, that's it. That's all I want to do in this video. Let me know your guys' thoughts. All right, let me know what you guys think. We're still doing the test. We're still doing the long-term test. I really got to get this Nerai rig up. I keep saying that, but I just never do it. But otherwise, thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Again, let me know your thoughts. Have a good one. Hopefully the altcoin season comes. Peace out.